guys, welcome back to Zig, the programming guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to reset Singpass password. So if you find it difficult to actually log in, or you actually forgot your password, or you just want to reset it for some reason, you actually have to click on that place you see login. But before then, you'll see where it says reset password. So you click reset password. So once you click on that, they're going to take you to another interface, and in this interface you have to input your NRIC phone number, the one you used to register, and your date of issue, which is date of birth. Make sure it's actually complete, and after that, after inputting all the infos, you have to also click on this where it says I am not a robot. You tick that box just like this, and it's going to verify. And once you click on that, you click on next. So once you click on next, they take you to where you're going to actually input a new password, and they have reset your password successfully. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.